Hello everyone, this is Rashwin, the Asian mechanic guy, and for today we are going to replace the ignition switch for this 1996 Infiniti i30. So this is just a quick repair, guys. So join me and let's replace the ignition switch for this car. So first of all, we need to remove the negative cable of this car. Alright. Then actually guys, I already removed the cover, the plastic cover. So this is the plastic cover going in here. So guys, that's only like a couple of Phillips screw. This is the Phillips screw. So just use a Phillips screwdriver or this one, then you will be able to remove the cover. Then guys, this is the new ignition switch. So basically we will just gonna remove two screw. So one there and one there. So I'm using this little special tools. So this is the screw right there. So let's remove it. And there's one more right there inside. Okay, now it's loose. I will be showing you guys as soon as I'm gonna remove it. Alright guys, now it's loose. So that's the screw. I already take off the other one. Now let's remove it. So that's the ignition switch. Now we are just gonna put the new one. So this is the new one. So this is how it look like. So the green right there, compare the color. Alright, should be this way. There we go. Now let's put on the screw. Nice. Then the other one. And slide it. Okay, that's the connection. And then unplug it. Padatay ni ko ah. Gamit niya kanayon ya. Oh. Okay na. Insert it. Okay, nice. Then tighten this. Alright. Okay. Nice. This is the old one. Okay. Let's put. Alright, first start. Let's. Nice. Alright, guys. That's how you replace an ignition switch for 96 Infiniti i30. So if you have any question, any suggestion, please comment below and consider like and subscribe my channel too. That's all for today, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.